Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Michael Burry casts doubt on Berkshire's allure as Greg Abel maneuvers cash reserves, while Apple's iPhone 18 Pro faces a potential price hike of nearly 40%, according to TrendForce. Turkey hints at Egypt joining the Mecca Defense Pact amidst rising regional tensions, and stock futures remain mixed with diminishing hopes for the reopening of Hormuz. Investors turn their attention to Rocket Lab's earnings for updates on Neutron and defense strategies. Meanwhile, Israel is likely to reject Hapag-Lloyd's $4.2 billion offer for ZIM, Cathie Wood shifts focus towards SpaceX and AI infrastructure while reducing stakes in Roblox and Palantir, and Jeff Bezos edges closer to acquiring a stake in Liverpool FC as reported by Sky News. Stay tuned after this short ad break for an in-depth exploration of these stories. Michael Burry is concerned that Berkshire Hathaway's new CEO, Greg Abel, may not have Warren Buffett's patience for ideal investments. Despite a $4.5 billion stock buyback and doubled profits in the second quarter, Berkshire is lagging behind the S&P 500. There are growing concerns about Abel's ability to manage the company's $365.5 billion cash reserve effectively.
TrendForce reports that rising component costs, especially memory, will increase the cost of materials for Apple's upcoming iPhone 18 lineup. The 256GB iPhone 18 Pro could see a cost rise of about 38% compared to similar models in 2025. Apple might absorb some costs to limit price hikes and maintain market share. Additionally, older iPhone models may see price increases due to escalating memory prices affecting entry-level and mid-range segments with already thin margins.
Turkey's Foreign Minister Hakan Fidan announced that a defense pact with Saudi Arabia and Pakistan might expand to include Egypt, pending technical adjustments. This agreement is similar to NATO's collective defense principle. Meanwhile, tensions are rising as Houthis attack Saudi facilities in response to airspace violations by Saudi drones.
Stock index futures showed mixed results on Monday. Hopes for reopening the Strait of Hormuz dimmed due to Iran's new demands. Dow Jones futures fell 0.04%, while Standard & Poor's 500 and Nasdaq futures rose 0.12% and 0.20%, respectively. Treasury yields slightly increased. Notable stock movements included T. Rowe Price Group up by 8.10% and PPG Industries down by 5.33%. No major economic events are scheduled for today, but President Trump remains focused on economic pressure amid stalled talks with Iran.
Rocket Lab USA is set to release its second quarter results. Wall Street expects a 5-cent per share loss on $230.9 million in revenue, marking an increase of nearly 60% compared to last year. Key areas of interest include updates on the Neutron rocket and defense contracts. Investors are looking for insights into launch frequency, acquisitions, and the potential for better margins and cash flow.
Israel is expected to turn down the $4.2 billion purchase of ZIM Integrated Shipping Services by Germany's Hapag-Lloyd and private equity firm FIMI, according to Calculist. The Israeli Shipping and Ports Authority is against the deal due to concerns about dependency. Government officials are scheduled to meet on September 9 to make a decision.
In early August, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest concentrated on space, AI infrastructure, and cryptocurrency. Major acquisitions were SpaceX, Circle Internet Group, and Coinbase. The firm decreased its holdings in Roblox, Palantir, and Shopify. Additionally, ARK invested in Amazon.com and Rocket Lab while selling shares of Advanced Micro Devices and Atibeckley.
A group led by Amit Bhatia, with Amazon's Jeff Bezos and Facebook's Eduardo Saverin, is close to buying a 1/3 stake in Liverpool Football Club. The deal is valued at $6 billion and may be announced soon. Bezos has a net worth of over $280 billion, while Saverin's wealth is more than $32 billion.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Join us tomorrow for more insights and updates to keep you informed. Until then, stay savvy. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, stay safe and farewell for now.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.